Okay, dear students, now we will discuss difference between e-business and traditional business. There are certain basic difference between e-business and traditional business which are shown on your screen. So number 1, formation. E-business is easy to form as the process of formation of an e-business is very simple and easy. Whereas in traditional business, it is comparatively difficult to form because it consists of lots of legal formalities. Number 1, personal touch. In e-business, there is a lack of personal touch because all transactions are held on internet through websites, marketing websites. Whereas traditional business, personal touch is present, especially in sole proprietorship and partnership. There is a direct contact between buyer and seller. Third one, setting up cost. Setting up cost of e-business is very low because it involves very less physical resources. Setting up cost of traditional business is very high as it requires a huge amount of resources, physical resources, the financial resources and human resources. The fourth one, operating cost. Operating cost of e-business is very low, whereas operating cost of traditional business is very high. Next one, human resource requirement. Business through electronic media required technically qualified and professional people, whereas in traditional business, semi-skilled and skilled both labors are required. Next one, risk involved. High risk is associated with e-business. We have studied earlier different types of risk are associated with e-business as there is no direct contact between the producers and consumers. Whereas in traditional business, risk is less as parties have personal interaction which create trust factors between them. 8. Distribution channel. No distribution channel is required in e-business as manufacturers sells their products directly to the consumers through websites. Whereas in traditional business, various intermediaries are involved like wholesalers, retailers, etc. Ninth one is length of business cycle. Business cycle of e-business is shorter because simultaneously all processes are carried out, whereas in traditional business, length of business cycle is longer because one process is carried out at one time and then other processes started. Say for example, purchasing of raw material, after then production start, then sales, etc.